Hello, my name's Ashley and welcome to a Bright Shadows DIY. Today I'm going to be taking you through how to make your own DIY Christmas crackers. They're actually pretty easy to make. I was getting addicted making them. I also made a version for Halloween, so I had leftover supplies, so I figured, hey, I'll make the proper version for Christmas. The great thing is you can customize it to put whatever gifts you want inside. Usually the cracker gifts are really cheap and terrible and they go in the garbage immediately, but this way you can customize it to something the person would actually want, which is great. If you like this video, please remember to like, subscribe, leave me a comment, be my friend on social media. But without further ado, let's get to the DIY.
For a basic cracker, you'll need pretty scrapbook paper, toilet paper rolls, you'll need the snaps, glue gun, ribbon, X-Acto knife or scissors to start cutting, and then of course you'll need all the fun presents to go inside. Flip the paper to the wrong side down. You'll be taking the toilet paper roll and you'll be marking on either side of it. So you'll be marking around 2 centimeters on either side of the roll, and then you'll be drawing lines on 1 centimeter intervals on either side of the roll. These lines will be for your folding. Try to draw the lines a little straighter than I did. Fold on the lines you just drew, so you'll be folding along 6 lines and you'll be creating a sort of pocket for where you'll do the cuts. With the glue gun, secure the toilet paper roll to the paper. Then start rolling it so that it's secure and glue along the edge so that it's flush. You'll also have to glue the end flaps down. Take the snap and put it through the toilet paper roll. Glue it to the paper on either side. You'll need to do this so that when you actually pull it, it will snap. It's also a good idea to actually put your thumbs on the snap so that you know it'll pop for sure. With a ribbon, tie it closed one side of the toilet paper roll. You can wrap your gifts in tissue paper. This is optional. I did this because my gifts seem to be falling out a bit. Wrap it in the paper and insert it into the cracker. Once it's secure, tie it with a ribbon on the other end so that the gifts don't fall out. Now comes the fun part, to decorate it and make it into a unicorn. These supplies of the horns and eyelashes were actually from a dollar store barrette that was unicorn themed, so I deconstructed it for this. You could definitely use cardboard or any other kind of paper or sequin fabric to get the same type of effect. To make the crown for the unicorn's horn, I took a bunch of little fabric roses I had and just embellished it all around the bow and the horn until I had enough for the desired effect.
Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, be my friend on social media. It would make me so happy. Happy Christmas!